Having pain on the inside of your knee is incredibly annoying for two main reasons. The first reason is, of course, the agonizing pain. The second one is how difficult it is to truly know what's actually causing it. This video will outline one of the reasons why you have pain on the inside of your knee and what you can really do about it. I think you will be incredibly surprised about what's really going on. Now, one of the most common reasons for pain on the inside of the knee is due to excessive valgus load on your knees. Another way to think about this is that your knees are caving in. Of course, to get rid of your pain, for this reason, we need to bring your knees out more and not have them cave in as much. One of the ways we can do this is by strengthening the glute medius muscle, which is located near the outside of your hip. Now, the first way we can strengthen the glute medius is by doing some clamshells. Lie down on your side with your hips facing a wall. Bring your knees and hips both into a 90-degree position. Next, you will bring your knee of whichever leg is on top as high as you can, while keeping your feet together, of course, mimicking a clamshell. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions and repeat on both sides. And once you finish that one, you can move on to the side lying leg raise. Lay down on your side once again. This time have your legs straight out. Next, you will bring your leg up as high as you can up towards the sky. Make sure you are pointing your heel up towards the sky instead of pointing your toe up. This will work the muscle more directly. Complete 3 sets on both sides. Now, those first 2 exercises are great, but simply not enough. This is why you need to implement some side pushes. This has you on your feet, taking big steps back and forth. When you are doing this, make sure you are really pushing through the outside of your foot hard as you take your steps. Although it seems goofy, this is a targeted exercise which will work the glute medius quite a bit. And although that movement is great, we can't forget about the last few. But before we get to that, if these exercises are helping you, I would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to our channel to receive more videos helping individuals of all abilities improve issues like knee pain in their body. Now, once you've mastered those first few, you can move on to side shuffles with a band. This uses ankle resistance bands, which we will link below for purchase. Once you have an ankle band, simply put it around your ankles. Next, you will bend your knees and take large steps to the side with the band. Make sure you keep distance on the band with each step. A good way to think about this is never getting your feet close together. Now, of course, last but not least is doing full squats with a band. Take the resistance bands you just had on your ankles and slide them up to your knees. Next, you will practice doing full squats with the band on. You will probably notice that the band wants to pull your knees inward, so you have to really force it to pull your knees out. Only go as low as you comfortably can. Do 3 sets of 8 of very slow repetitions. If you want to follow another daily exercise program and created a great one below, otherwise I picked out a great video for you, talking about a few daily habits that will make your knee pain so much worse. I'm no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away